this is my first outing out with the girls. I'm going to meet the Plymouth Fleeters. Not seen them for some time, so it'd be quite nice meeting down Captain Jasper's for a coffee, and then maybe off somewhere for a little scooter around. So it'd be nice to see the girls. Haven't seen them for some time. Josie, who's the chair lady, she's been off and had a baby. She's just come back, so she's the organiser. So yeah, hopefully it'll be a nice little turnout. And also, this is my first time of using the GoPro Hero 4. So I did have a 7, didn't particularly get on with it, and I wanted to be able to talk whilst I was riding. So see what this is like. It's a beautiful evening. So for those of you that don't know, I'm in Plymouth at the moment. I come from Plymouth in Devon, so hopefully whilst talking I can take you through some of the beautiful parts of the country that we live in. See people out on the jet skis. I know where I'd rather be though. Average speed camera along here, and it is always on. So many people get caught on this road, but not me. So I've not been down to, so I'm just heading down to the Barbican, which is a really nice historic place of Plymouth, on the waterfront. And I've not been down here since the pandemic, so it'll be interesting to see how busy it is down here and how many bikes. I mean, normally on an evening like this it would be packed, so I'm not sure how busy it will be. And I hate parking down here. It's full of cobblestones. I hate it because people always stare and watch as well, which I really don't like. So I always try, if I can, park on the outskirts a little bit so nobody can see me, in case I bugger things up. Oh my god, and it looks like it's busy. So there's probably about 20 of us. We're at the Barbican ready to go off, so good turnout. Voilà. So did I.
I take it they're going Caliber Bridge, are they?
I don't know. I thought we were going up to the rock.
Yeah, it's Caliber Bridge, but it takes you to the back of Caliber Bridge.
Right. God, that's so much strong, wasn't it?